Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. The next water soluble vitamin, pantothenic acid, or it is also called as the vitamin B5. Actually, pantothenic acid or the B5, the free acid is soluble in water and is hydrolyzed by the acids of the axis. It is thermolabile and destroyed by the heat. Dietary sources. As the name pantothenic acid, pantos Greek word mean everywhere. It is widely distributed in the nature and also its metabolic role as a coenzyme is widespread. The dietary sources of the pantothenic acid are the egg, liver, and the yeast, although it is widely distributed in all foodstuffs. RDA. No RDA has been established, but it is advised for the adults daily intake of 5 to 10 milligram. However, in addition to the dietary sources, synthesis by the intestinal bacteria supply fair amount of the pantothenic acid. Chemistry or the structure of the pantothenic acid. Pantothenic acid consists of the beta-alanine in peptide linkage with the dihydroxy dimethyl butyric acid, which is called the pentanoic acid. This is the structure of the pantothenic acid, which consists of the beta-alanine and the pentanoic acid, which are joined by the peptide linkage. Synthesis of the coenzyme A. Actually, coenzyme A is the active form or the coenzyme form of the pantothenic acid, and its metabolic role as a coenzyme A is also widespread. The synthesis of the coenzyme A. Pantothenate is first phosphorylated, to which cysteine is added. Decarboxylation followed by the addition of the AMP moiety and the phosphate results in the coenzyme A. The structure of the coenzyme A consists of the pantothenic acid joined to the beta-mercaptoethanolamine at one end, and other side pantothenic acid is held by the phosphate bridge to the adenylate acid. The adenylate acid is made up of the adenine and the phosphate linked to the carbon 3 of the ribose. Here once again the structure of the coenzyme A. It is easy for the students to understand. Pantothenic acid is joined in one end to the adenosine 3' phosphate, a pyrophosphate bridge, and on the other hand joined by the peptide linkage to the beta-mercaptoethanolamine, which is obtained from the amino acid cysteine. The terminal SH group of beta-mercaptoethanolamine is reactive site of the coenzyme molecule. The active form or the coenzyme form of the pantothenic acid. The active form or the coenzyme form of the pantothenic acid is the coenzyme A and the acyl carrier protein ACP. It is the acyl carrier protein. Functions. The function of the pantothenic acid are exerted through the coenzyme A and the acyl carrier protein. These are the coenzyme form or the active form of the pantothenic acid. Pantothenic acid has a central role in the acyl group metabolism when acting as a pentotene functional moiety of the coenzyme A or the acyl carrier protein. Actually, pantothenic acid is a component of the coenzyme A. Coenzyme A functions in the transfer of the acyl group, and also it is the component of acyl carrier protein. The coenzyme A contains a thiol group that carry acyl compound as activated thiol esters. The coenzyme A plays a significant role in several body reactions where the thiol group of coenzyme A forms thioester bond with many organic acids results in the activation of the organic acids. Various reactions, for example, succinyl-CoA, fatty-cyl-CoA, and acetyl-CoA. The CoA take parts in these reactions: citric acid cycle, fatty acid oxidation, acetylation, cholesterol biosynthesis. While the acyl carry protein, which is also the active form or the coenzyme form of the pantothenic acid, participate in fatty acid synthesis. Fatty acid synthesis requires a multi-enzyme fatty acid synthase, and this acyl carrier protein is a part of this enzyme for the necessary for the synthesis of the fatty acids. Deficiency of pantothenic acid. Deficiency of pantothenic acid in human is unknown because it is widely distributed in various food, and also the intestinal bacteria supply the pantothenic acid due to the wide distribution, so there is no clinical manifestation or symptoms of the pantothenic acid. This is all about the vitamin B5 or pantothenic acid.